Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. एक बार sound picture quality check कर लीजिएगा. If everything is fine, we will be starting the discussion, current affairs discussion around 7 to 9th of June 2025. So June month हमारा already start हो गया है and we are near to the 10th of June. So soon we will be able to see that 6 months are going to get over and we will be moving into the month of July as well. चलिए स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं डिस्कशन को. सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो दिस दैट व्हाई यू गाइज आर अटेंडिंग दीज सेशंस because you have the target to clear either banking or insurance sector examination in the year 2025, and here I'll try to make your current affairs news in the form of very simplified and analyzed manner. I'll discuss with you so you will be able to cover all the news in detail in time in the easiest possible way. News number 1 is Reserve Bank of India premiere 5-part of docu series, that is documentary series, unlocked beyond the rupee to give clear idea about the Central Bank of India history, working, functions, powers, etc. So 5 part में RBI ने अपना documentary series release किया है. It is formed by which organization, means which production house created this, on which OTT platform it will be available. All the details I am going to share with you within the session. ठीक है, एक बार confirmation दे दीजिएगा थोड़ा सा chat box में that everything is fine. Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning everyone. News number 2. Reserve Bank of India rejected universal banking license application of the Annapurna Finance. Annapurna Finance applied for the universal banking license. RBI rejected this. RBI relaxed the गाइडलाइंस फॉर द गोल्ड लोन्स इन द मार्केट. मतलब गोल्ड लोन देने की जो गाइडलाइंस हैं उसमें आरबीआई ने कुछ सहूलियतें दी हैं बैंक्स को. सो नाउ बैंक विल बी रिलैक्स्ड while giving the gold loan because RBI have decreased the, or you can say that RBI have decreased the LTV rate, so loan to value ratio. So I'll discuss what is old loan to value ratio, how it is going to be helpful for the bank. Monetary Policy Statement 2025, that is June 2025, although I have already made a detailed video separately, but today also in the session I'll discuss the major point regarding the monetary policy changes. Central Bank of India to buy 24.91%, around 25% in the general future generalized insurance at the cost of 451 crore rupee. It means Central Bank of India entered into the general insurance sector. General insurance sector में enter कर गया है, अब insurance policy sale करेगा. Those who are preparing for the interview of Central Bank of India credit officer, for them it is an important news. As Mahendra Dev appointed as the chairperson of PM Economic Advisory Council. Did you remember that who was the chairperson of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Passed away in November 2024. उनकी डेथ हुई है नवंबर 2024 में. नाम याद है तो बताइए चैट बॉक्स में लिखकर. United Nations elected 5 non-permanent members to the Security Council for the year of 2026 and 2027. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Chenab Rail Bridge, completing the Kashmir Rail link to India. In detail, we'll discuss the news. PM Modi also launches Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign 2.0. Last year, this campaign was originally launched. This year, the second version 2.0 campaign have been launched on the World Environment Day 2025. Homework के questions check कर लेते हैं एक बार. Okay, Venkatesh, big congratulations, man. Big congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations, Venkatesh. I got the messages from few people from the Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank that they have cleared. And before joining the bank, do check the conditions properly. And congratulations. We continue for the upcoming examination. So homework questions क्या थे हमारे पास? The term account aggregator in the Indian financial system refers to. So correct answer था आपके पास. It is a RBI regulated entity help to share the financial data securely. So account aggregator is a platform where all the data of one individual can be collected regarding mutual fund investment, home loan, any other loan. FDs, insurance. So all that data can be collected at one place. That is called account aggregator framework. Udgam portal is helping the public to understand and to fetch the detail of their unclaimed deposit. So if you have your unclaimed deposit, you can check it over the Udgam portal. Third question was, the term digital rupee refers to a digital token coin represented by issues by Reserve Bank of India representing the official currency of the country. It is a legal tender in India. Our CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, is a legal tender in India. Lots of students have given the answer. Thank you everyone. Malika, Arjun, Udaya, Shruti. After that, Uday, Sabha, Kavya, Naveen, Simran, Prasanna, Monica. After that, Veer, Rachna, Jaggi Durga Rao ji, Swati, Nikita, Gopika, Arun, Ajit, Pawan, Tagro, Arpit, Siddharth, Satya. Thank you guys. Thank you for answer. Let's see the question for tomorrow. Who have launched the Green Hydrogen Certificate Scheme of India? Question number 1. Second question. Which ministry notified draft gases emission intensity target rule 2025? Another important question. Question number 3. Which ministry released the guidelines for Bio Input Resource Center under the National Mission for Natural Farming? 3 questions. All 3 are important, related to the important announcement made by the ministries in the month of May 2025. So check the answers. I'll discuss the detail tomorrow morning, same place, same time. Hustle 2.0 is a one-stop solution for the preparation of banking awareness, current affairs, static GK, insurance awareness as well. Once the insurance notification is out, in the same batch, I am going to discuss the insurance awareness as well. So, you guys can join the batch without any hesitation to prepare well for all your upcoming examination. My interview batches for PNB Credit Officer, Central Bank of Credit Officer going on. मतलब classes चल रहे हैं. We cannot wait for the result. Reason is, once the result is out, we get very less time. So I have already started doing the batch, means classes in the batch. You can inform to your friends if someone you find struggling in preparing for these interviews. Then mentorship program of Guidely is called GOAT. You can check the details of the GOAT if you want one-to-one mentorship. चलिए, PDF will be available in this Telegram group starting with the news number 1. पहले न्यूज नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर यूजिंग OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक दिस वन, Amazon Prime एंड Hotstar, ये सारे जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म, कितने लोग आप में से यूज कर रहे हैं? दैट यस सर, आई एम ऑलरेडी यूजिंग द OTT प्लेटफॉर्म. व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू? नाउ ऑन द Jio Hotstar, this documentary series will be available. So what RBI have done, RBI, if you remember, RBI have given this contract to Jio Hotstar. Contract was given in the month of June 2024, 1 year back approximately. Last year RBI ने contract दिया था that we want to make the documentary series of Reserve Bank of India. If I'm not wrong, around 600 crore rupee was the project. So RBI given that project to Jio Hotstar. Now this documentary series is available. So why I was asking you how many of you are using OTT? First, use it as less as possible until you are not selected. ठीक है? OTT वगैरह भी हमको ज्यादा यूज नहीं करना है जब तक हमारा सिलेक्शन ना हो जाए. But if you guys are able to manage time on next weekend, do watch it. This 5 episode series of Reserve Bank of India. There will be lots of things which you can gain from there directly. ठीक है, देख लेना एक बार इसको. So on 3rd of June, Reserve Bank of India launches 5 part of the documentary series. Title is important. Name is, so it's titled Reserve Bank of India, RBI Unlocked Beyond the Rupee. This is the name of that series. It is a 5 episode series that is produced by Chalkboard Entertainment. Chalkboard Entertainment. तो इसका नाम याद रखना है, Chalkboard Entertainment. The series offer complete view of Reserve Bank of India 90 year of journey. तो 90 year of journey जो है उसको cover कर रहा है. So there are 5 episodes. You will be able to see in one episode about monetary policy, how interest rate inflation managed. Second, currency management and design. Currency management, design, production, security features of the Indian currency. Third है आपका banking supervision. रेगुलेशन ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक एंड एनबीएफसीज। फोर्थ है आपका डिजिटल पेमेंट, सो डिजिटल पेमेंट एंड फिनटेक, that what is the role of UPI, how it is implemented, RTGS, new innovations, Aadhaar enabled payment system, USSD, UPI circle, etc. उनके बारे में। And fifth one is financial inclusion, so प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, अटल पेंशन योजना, all these things will be discussed in the will be show cause in the financial inclusion part. So these are the 5 episode which you are able to see. So एक बार शॉर्ट में डिस्कस कर लें। So title of this series is RBI Unlocked Beyond the Rupee. Episode total 5-part series है। Platform it is available at Jio Hotstar. Then production house है आपका Chalkboard Entertainment, and the format is documentary style storytelling with the RBI footage, expert interview, and after that animation is also included into that. Is this point clear? अच्छा, few people have already completed. Very good. चलो बढ़िया है, कुछ लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर लिया है, तो ठीक है, आगे मूव करें। नेक्स्ट न्यूज है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रिसेंटली रिजेक्टेड द यूनिवर्सल बैंकिंग लाइसेंस of Annapurna Finance. So Annapurna Finance is an NBFC, non-bank financial company in India. Annapurna Finance was established in the year 2009. It is one of the top 10 NBFCs in India which work in the microfinance sector, but this company have recently applied in front of Reserve Bank of India for getting the license of universal bank. इनको universal bank का जो license उसके लिए इन्होंने apply किया था। Now RBI have rejected. Currently Fino Payment Bank applied for a small finance bank, while AU Small Finance Bank was the first bank to apply from the conversion of from the small finance bank to universal bank, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank have also applied. तो अभी अप्रूवल का वेट कर रहे हैं दो स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक। सो 2 small finance banks are waiting for the approval from the Reserve Bank of India. These 2 small finance bank is AU and Ujjivan. These 2 are waiting that RBI will either give the approval or RBI will reject it. Which one? Conversion from small finance to universal. They are waiting for it. Fino Payment Bank is waiting to get the approval from Payment Bank to Small Finance Bank. तो टोटल 3 बैंक्स हैं जो अभी वेट कर रहे हैं RBI के डिसीजन का, that either RBI will approve or RBI will reject. We'll get to know in the upcoming days, but we need to remember these 3: Fino, Ujjivan and AU. Clear? आगे मूव करेंगे। नेक्स्ट न्यूज, so Reserve Bank of India eased the norm of NBFC microfinance institution cut the qualifying asset threshold to 60%. So qualifying asset threshold was 75% for the microfinance institution. It come down to 60%. ठीक है, ये एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन हो गया, that what is the recent relaxation RBI have given to the microfinance institution in India. So relaxation is their qualifying asset threshold was 75%, now it come down to 60%. But the question arises, what is microfinance? What is this qualifying asset threshold? इसका मीनिंग क्या है सर? So meaning is, first of all, microfinance means without any collateral, small loan provided to individual or to a family where the family income is less than 3 लाख रुपए पर ईयर। फिर से सुन लीजिए, माइक्रो फाइनेंस एक ऐसा लोन है जो विदाउट कोलेट्रल, विदाउट एनी गारंटी, विदाउट एनी सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड किया गया हो। स्मॉल अमाउंट होगा, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, अराउंड 1 लाख रुपए अप टू, ये आपका अमाउंट होगा। This amount will be provided to a family where the family income, yearly income will not be more than 3 लाख रुपए। मतलब गरीब परिवारों को दिया जाने वाला छोटा लोन अमाउंट जो है 30-40,000 रुपए का, उसे कहा गया है माइक्रो फाइनेंस। ये वाला पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ? माइक्रो फाइनेंस, how much amount can be given, sir? So micro finance can be given to a family, in that case EMI of the borrower should not be more than 50% of their monthly income. Monthly income से के 50% से ज्यादा EMI नहीं बनना चाहिए. So that is what the maximum amount is that can be decided. So these are the 2 points which define what is microfinance. So microfinance is a loan provided by a bank or NBFCs to the household, Indian household, where the household income should not be more than 3 lakh rupee and the EMI amount should not be more than 50% of the monthly income of that complete household. तो ये तो हो गया definition. Definition clear है? What is the meaning of microfinance? बोलो yes or no. Now the NBFCs which are categorized as a microfinance institution, the NBFCs which are categorized as a microfinance institution, these NBFCs have to provide at least 75% of loan only as a microfinance loan. तो इनके पास एक कंडीशन होता है like PSL, priority sector lending, very similar to the concept of PSL, that every bank required to provide 40% of their loan to the PSL. Similar to that, microfinance company required to provide 75% of their total lending only to the microfinance. Now, this condition decreased to 60% now. Means a company will be defined as a microfinance company where 60% loan provided to microfinance, 40% other loan. तो 60% microfinance loan होना चाहिए, 40% other loan. This is what the relaxation given by Reserve Bank of India recently. I hope the complete news is clear. बोलिए yes or no. समझ में आया पूरा न्यूज क्या बोल रहा है? पहले 75% मिनिमम टारगेट था कि माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन होना ही चाहिए इफ यू आर अ माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी, इट डिक्रीज टू 60%. तो ये एक तरीके से क्या मिल गया? रिलैक्सेशन इन द माइक्रो फाइनेंस डेफिनेशंस. मतलब उसके जो कैटेगरी है माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन, उसमें एक रिलैक्सेशन है. क्लियर है? 75 से डिक्रीज करके कितना है? 60%. नेक्स्ट वन, Reserve Bank of India also relaxed the guidelines of gold loan. There is a concept called LTV, loan to value ratio. Now for example LTV is 90%. अभी एक एग्जांपल ले लें कि अगर मान लीजिए आपका जो LTV है that is 90%, ठीक है, and in one case LTV is 60%. मैं दो एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं. LTV is 60%, LTV is 90%. You will understand, okay, what will be the meaning if the LTV is 90, if the LTV is 80. So if LTV increase, what will be the impact on bank? If LTV decrease, what will be the impact on bank? So LTV is called loan to value ratio. इसका meaning होता है loan to value ratio. For example, I want to take the home loan. मुझे एक home loan चाहिए, home loan, and bank is saying that सर योर होम कॉस्ट इज 1 CR. आई सेड यस. भाई जो घर में परचेस कर रहा हूं उसका कॉस्टिंग पड़ रहा है 1 करोड़ रुपए. माय बैंक इज सेइंग दैट सर आवर एलटीवी रेशियो इज 90%. मीनिंग इज 90%. मीनिंग इज सर आउट ऑफ 1 करोड़ यू नीड टू पे 10% फ्रॉम योर पॉकेट. मुझे पे करना पड़ेगा एज अ कस्टमर 10%. बैंक विल बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड अप टू 90%. बैंक 90% दे सकता है. LTV means loan to value ratio, how much money bank can provide out of the total loan amount. I hope you are getting my point. So if LTV increased, bank lending capacity will increase over that particular loan. If LTV decrease, it means bank lending capacity will decrease over that particular loan. So LTV 60% means in the same 1 crore rupee home, if I want to buy, I need to arrange at least 40 lakh rupee. 40 lakh rupee has to be paid by me as a customer. Down payment, bank finance will be 60 lakh, down payment will be 40 lakh. So whatever the LTV is, remaining amount will be the customer's down payment. बाकी का बचा हुआ amount customer का down payment हो जाएगा. So if bank is offering high LTV, relaxation for the customer. If bank is saying our LTV is low, customer need to ready to pay more money from the pocket. First of all, let me know that is this concept clear? क्या LTV कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? क्या मीनिंग क्या है LTV का, लोन टू वैल्यू रेशियो का क्या मीनिंग है? इजी है? इफ यस देन वी विल मूव टू द एग्जैक्ट न्यूज. पहले LTV समझ में आना जरूरी था. सो लोन टू वैल्यू रेशियो, व्हाट रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया सेज दैट this is a LTV guideline especially for the gold loan. First of all, ये जो LTV के guidelines हैं, these are created exactly for the gold loans in India. So RBI says that, regulator says that bank must maintain 85% of LTV ratio for the consumption of gold below 2.5 lakh as against 75 percent previously. So RBI have increased the LTV from 75% to 85%. RBI ने 75% से इंक्रीज करके LTV कितना कर दिया 85% ऑन द गोल्ड लोन अमाउंट अप टू 2.5 lakh. So 2.5 lakh तक का जो अमाउंट है उसमें LTV इंक्रीज किया है. So what will be the impact? Customers will be able to borrow more money from the bank against the gold loan. Same quantity of gold loan. So previously if I had gold of 1 lakh rupee, simple example. Previously if I had 1 lakh rupee gold, I was giving my gold to bank. Bank was able to provide me 75,000 rupee as a loan. 1 लाख रुपए का मैंने गोल्ड दिया, बैंक ने मुझे 75,000 रुपी लोन प्रोवाइड कर दिया. नाउ बैंक विल बी एबल टू गिव मी 85,000 ऑन द सेम गोल्ड. उसी गोल्ड पर बैंक 75,000 की जगह 85,000 रुपी लोन प्रोवाइड करेंगे. This is what the meaning of increment in the LTV. For the consumption loan backed by the gold as a collateral, 2.5 to 5 lakh rupee ticket size LTV ratio should be 80%. So LTV ratio have been defined in this manner. Loan up to 2.5 lakh, loan up to 2.5 lakh, LTV will be 85%. Loan from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, LTV should be 80%. Loan above 5 lakh, LTV should be 85%. Oh, sorry, 75%. So LTV should be 75%. So loan above 5 lakh, 75%. Loan in between 2.5 to 5 lakh, 80%. Loan up to 2.5 lakh, 85%. ये आपके LTVs डिफाइंड कर दिया RBI ने. आई होप सारे पॉइंट्स क्लियर होंगे. Bank cannot increase LTV by their own. Bank can decide into that range. For example, RBI says that up to 2.5 lakh rupee loan, LTV should be up to 85%. One particular bank, State Bank of India, says that RBI guidelines says that up to 85, but we provide 80. बैंक ये बोल सकता है भाई हम नहीं प्रोवाइड करते 85, हम 80 प्रोवाइड करते हैं. RBI is saying that up to this range you can provide. Bank can decide lower than that range. वो पॉसिबल है. ये समझ में आया? हाँ. So bank cannot go beyond 85, but within 85 bank can decide their range. SBI can say that on 1 lakh rupee loan our LTV is 80%. You will say, but sir, RBI guidelines says 85. Yes, RBI says up to 85. But we have decided 80. So we will provide 80 only. Bank have right. Okay. Got it? This is what the meaning of it. आगे move करें. So monetary policy statement, June 2025, major two changes. One, RBI decreases the repo rate and RBI decreases the repo rate by 50 basis point. It is not less. It is a very, very big amount. So 50 basis points से RBI ने अपना repo rate decrease किया है. After a long gap, repo rate came at 5.5%. So now currently the repo rate is how much? 5.5%. Meeting was attended by Dr. Nagesh Kumar, Professor Ram Singh, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, Dr. Poonam Gupta, who is the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, and Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, Chairperson of Reserve Bank of India. Voted decreasing the repo rate by 50 basis point. 50 basis point से decrease करने के लिए announce किया है, and with the majority it has been decreased. Now the repo rate decreased from 6% to 5.5%. What will be the impact on economy? Impact will be RBI will be able to provide loans at lower rate of interest to the bank. Bank will further decrease the rate of interest for the customer. Remember that if people borrowed floating rate loan are usually home loans. Home loans जो है आपके floating rate loan में आते हैं. Most of the cases है, even automobile loan. So in that cases, it will give the benefit to the existing customers as well. It is not like it will be giving benefit only to the new customer. Existing customers will also get benefit. My home loan is going on, so I'll also get benefit over it. I hope you're getting my point. So EMI will decrease, either EMI will decrease or tenure will decrease. Customer need to choose कि भैया EMI कम करना है या tenure कम करना है. So customer will decide. Reserve Bank of India remain committed with the sufficient liquidity in the market. Further to increase the liquidity, RBI decreases the CRR, cash reserve ratio, from 4% to 3%. 4% से डिक्रीज करके आरबीआई ने कितना कर दिया है, 3% कर दिया है. सो आरबीआई सेज दैट दिस 1% डिक्रीमेंट विल बी implemented in the phased manner. So 0.25 will decrease on 6th September, 0.25 will decrease on 4th October, 0.25 will decrease on 1st November, and 0.25 will decrease on 29th of November. So from September to November, this 25% CRR will get decreased. So CRR को decrease करने के लिए RBI ने time लिया है. So currently, if you will check the CRR on the Reserve Bank of India website, it is going to show you 4% only. Reason it is going to decrease with the time. Remember one more statement, that because of decrement in the CRR, 2.5 lakh crore will be floated into the economy. ये question आता है exam में, that RBI decreases the CRR, how much amount of money expected to increase into the economy in the form of liquidity. Around 2.5 lakh crore rupee will increase into the economy because of decrement in the CRR by 1%. Because now banks are required to maintain less reserve with the Reserve Bank of India in the form of CRR. So these are the major changes. अगर हम current की बात करें, so GDP rate and all, GDP rate will be around 6.5%. So GDP rate of the complete financial year will be 6.5%. Inflation rate will be around 3.7%. तो ये major data हो गया आपका. Next MPC meeting will be conducted in August 2024. तो अगस्त में आपका अगला MPC meeting होगा. Currently policy rate, repo rate is 5.5, standing deposit facility 5.25, MSF 5.75, bank rate 5.35, reserve repo rate no changes in reverse repo rate no changes, SLR no changes, CRR will get decreased from 4 to 3%. So अभी current में आपका 4 है, it will decrease to 3. पूरा point clear है? Yes or no कर दीजिए एक बार. That all the news clear. RBI related news थे, काफी सारे थे. Central Bank of India to buy 24.91% stake in the Future General Life Insurance. So Central Bank of India, which is a public sector bank in India, headquarter located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This bank acquired 24.91% stake in the Future General Life Insurance at the cost of 451 crore rupee. By this acquisition, Central Bank of India entered into the general insurance business. So Central Bank of India entered into the general insurance business by acquiring approximately 25% stake in Future General Life Insurance. So Future General Life Insurance में कितना percent stake at what cost, purchased by which bank, will be more than sufficient for the examination. So Central Bank of India purchased 24.91% stake in the Future General Life Insurance at the cost of 451 crore rupee. Few days before we have discussed that Central Bank of India. Can you tell me the name of the current managing director and CEO of Central Bank of India? So Central Bank of India is going to get the new managing director and CEO. Name will be Kalyan Kumar ji. So Kalyan Kumar as the managing director of Central Bank of India will be appointed soon. Financial Service Institutional Bureau have recommended the name of Kalyan Kumar as the managing director and CEO of Central Bank of India. In place of whom he will be taking charge? Mr. Kalyan Kumar. Answer बताइए भाई, किसकी जगह पर? MV Rao sir. Very good Ashwin. MV Rao sir. So in place of MV Rao sir, he will be taking charge. Microsoft expand LinkedIn CEO Mr. Rolansky as the role of overall overseas or as the CEO of Office Suite. So Microsoft, a very important AI tool called Office Suite, which include the product like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, etc. To oversee the functionality of Office Suite, recently Microsoft taken decision that the CEO of LinkedIn, Mr. Rolansky, will be taking charge to oversee all the operations of Microsoft Office suite. Not a very important news, but in the RRB we have seen the news related to the business news हमने last year बहुत सारे देखे थे, that is why I'm just picking this news. ठीक है, MV Rao sir is correct, everyone. As Mahendra Dev, one of the very famous economists, have been appointed as the new chairperson of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is one of the very much expert in the field of agriculture, rural economy, development of the economics. They will bring the decade of the experience in the public policy and by providing the suggestion to the Prime Minister Economic Advisory Council. So till now he was also acting as an independent director in the board of director of Axis Bank. From there he will take the resignation, means he will resign from that position, he will leave the position, and he will be holding the permanent position as the chairperson of Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Will be replacing to Mr. Vivek Devroy. Till now Mr. Vivek Devroy was the chairperson of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. विवेक डेब्रॉय सर पास्ड अवे इन नवंबर 2024. तो नवंबर 2024 में विवेक डेब्रॉय सर जो थे उनका देहांत हुआ, उसके बाद से पोजीशन जो है वेकेंट है. रोहित शर्मा कंटिन्यू एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ TCL India, which is one of the company work in the field of electronics. इंडियन कंज्यूमर electronics brand है TCL. So TCL TVs and all they make, right? So LED TVs and etc. So TCL India reappointed Mr. Rohit Sharma as the brand ambassador for the duration of another 1 year. एक साल के लिए इनको वापस से अपॉइंट कर दिया गया है on this position. Dettol appointed Mahendra Singh Dhoni as the brand ambassador. Also remember, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is also the brand ambassador of State Bank of India. SBI के भी brand ambassador Mahendra Singh Dhoni है और Dettol India ने भी इनको recently अपॉइंट किया है. So campaign will be called Captain Cool. So Captain Cool campaign वो चला लेंगे, advertisement campaign by utilizing the Captain Cool personality for promoting the Dettol. National international news पर आते हैं. Magnus Carlsen finally won the Norway Chess 2025 after the dramatic finale. So finally he won it. There was a lots of competition which he had from D. Gukesh and Fabino of America, but finally he won it. Magnus Carlsen managed to win the final of Norway Chess title 2025. So overall news is Norway Chess title 2025 won by whom? So answer is Magnus Carlsen. David Beckham to be honored with the status of Sir by giving the Knighthood Award on the King Charles III birthday. So on the King Charles III birthday, there is an expectation David Beckham will get the title of knighthood, and after that he will be called Sir. So his name will be officially he will be known as Sir David Beckham. So even Britishers have given these type of awards to Indians. When Britishers were there in India, उस समय काफी इंडियंस के पास भी नाइटहुड अवार्ड से ऑनर किया गया था. Sir Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore sir was honored with that. So officially he was known as Sir Rabindranath Tagore. तो उनको नाइटहुड अवार्ड से ऑनर किया गया था, right? So similar award will be given to the David Beckham and he will be called as Sir David Beckham after that. United Nations elected 5 temporary members of the United Nations Security Council. So in the UN Security Council there are total 15 members, right? 15 member council, and these five members get revolvery change, means on a recycled manner, like revolving manner they get changed. वो change होते रहते हैं 5 members in every 2 years. So Bahrain, Colombia, Democratic Republic of Congo, Latvia and Libya. So these are the 5 new countries which got the membership of United Nations Security Council for the duration of 2 years from January 2026. 2 साल के लिए इनको tenure दे दिया गया है. The countries will join 15 member council, will play the central role in maintaining the international peace and security. So Latvia is joining the UNSC for the first time. So which country is joining the UNSC for the first time? So Latvia. Out of 15, 5 members are permanent member. They are called P5, permanent 5. So permanent 5 members are China, France, Russia, UK, and USA. These are the most powerful countries actually because of the permanent member of United Nations Security Council. Remaining 10 members are elected members. They are revolving in natures, so they get changed in every 2 years. तो हर 2-2 साल में वो चेंज होते रहते हैं. ठीक है, मेरा पॉइंट क्लियर है? बोलिए yes or no. आगे मूव करेंगे. नेक्स्ट है Starlink, which is a company of Elon Musk, recently got the approval, all the approval to offer the satellite internet services in India. तो इंडिया में सैटेलाइट इंटरनेट सर्विस ऑफर करने के लिए अप्रूवल मिल गया किसको? Starlink को. After the application and process of around 2 years, Starlink got the approval and very soon they will start offering the internet services in India. बहुत जल्दी इंटरनेट सर्विसेज इंडिया में प्रोवाइड करेंगे. दे आर ऑलरेडी ऑफरिंग द इंटरनेट सर्विसेज, दैट इज सैटेलाइट इंटरनेट सर्विसेज टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 125 कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड. तो अब इंडिया की तरफ भी आ रहे हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड चेनाब रेल ब्रिज, completing the Kashmir rail link to India with the support of bridge directly. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Chenab rail bridge, the world highest railway arch bridge in Jammu Kashmir. It will mark completion of the project of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link, that is also called USBRL. So that is Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. 42-year-old project aim integrating the Kashmir Valley within the National Railway Network. तो काफी पुराना प्रोजेक्ट है. Around 42 years back the project was started and now it is completed. Chenab bridge detail: the bridge height is around 539 meters on the Chenab river, which is taller than Eiffel Tower. So that is why it is highest bridge, arc bridge in the world. Highest है. Span around 567 meters, length है इसका approximately 1300 meters, around 1.5 किलोमीटर का लेंथ है, and highest in the world. Steel and concrete arch bridge withstand the high seismic activities and strong winds also. So it is made in such a way that it should not get any impact because of earthquake, because of high winds, etc. वो बहुत बढ़िया से मेंटेन कर सकता है. ठीक है. So built over the Chenab river, significantly the tributary of Indus, and it is a electrified rail bridge. So it is not a diesel bridge, it is a electrified. Electric lines are already there, so electric train can run over it easily. ठीक है. तो ये आपका overall project था, and the total project length of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link is around 272 kilometer. PM Modi also launches एक पेड़ माँ के नाम campaign 2.0 on World Environment Day 2026. Although this campaign was originally launched last year in the year 2025. अच्छा, मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया. In the year 2024 it was already launched. In the year 2025, not 26, in the year 2025 second edition have been launched. So एक पेड़ माँ के नाम campaign 2.0 was launched on 5th of June 2025. The original event was launched last year. Objective is collaborating the Indian citizens, Indian public, that anyhow you need to plant one tree, one plant on the name of your mother. अपनी माता श्री के नाम पर आप एक पेड़ जरूर लगाएं. By this initiative, if everyone will start planting one plant on the name of their mother, greenery will increase. This is called एक पेड़ माँ के नाम campaign. So 10 crore trees in the country was planted around 5th of June to 30th of September. तो टारगेट रखा है गवर्नमेंट ने 10 करोड़ ट्रीज जो है इसको लगाने का. ठीक है, 10 करोड़ ट्रीज को लगाने का. So originally the campaign was launched last year itself, and target is 10 crore tree will be planted across 5th of June to 30th of September 2025. तो 10 करोड़ प्लांट लगाने का टारगेट रखा है. Alongside with the plantation drive, PM Modi also flag off 200 electric buses in Delhi to promote the sustainable urban infrastructure. So apart from plantation drive, 200 electric buses inaugurated in Delhi to decrease the pollution, to increase the efficiency in the transportation, and to celebrate the World Environment Day with the theme Beat the Plastic Pollution. So beat the plastic pollution was the theme of 2025. ये पॉइंट होगा यहां तक, क्लियर है? बोलिए yes or no. Amit Shah launches भारतीय भाषा अनुभाग to promote the Indian languages in the governance. So in the governance, documentation of the government of India to involve more number of Indian languages, Home Minister Amit Shah recently launched Indian language section or Bharatiya Bhasha Anubhag. This initiative aims reducing the dominance of the foreign languages, especially English, in the Indian administrative system and promoting to use of the mother tongues in India for the official making, official decision, communication, etc. The move aligned with the vision of the linguistic inclusion step that lots of the states in India demanding that because of English or Hindi, other Indian languages are not getting that much promotion. So to promote the Indian languages, especially the language of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka in the administration system, Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India, have launched this particular initiative. So यह भी काफी ज्यादा न्यूज में चल रहा था. So it will be implemented alongside with the National Education Policy 2020 with emphasize the mother tongue based of the education and administration. This another initiative launched by Home Minister Amit Shah. PM Modi to attend the G7 summit to be conducted in Canada. It is a signal that maybe the things will be better in between Canada and India soon. So the situation between Canada and India was not well from around last 1.5 year to 2 years. पिछले 2 सालों से इंडिया और कनाडा के बीच में situations ठीक नहीं थे. But now the new Prime Minister, Mr. Mark Carney of the Canada. Mark Carney is the new Prime Minister of the Canada. He has invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the G7 summit that will be hosted by Canada. Although India is not the permanent member of G7. India G7 का member नहीं है. India is the member of G20. ये याद रखना. India is the member of G20 and in G7 we are just invited. तो G7 की बात करें हम, so G7 countries are GURU, Guru, GFCI. Just remove Russia from here. Remaining 7 are called G7 countries. So Germany, USA, UK, Japan, France, Canada, Italy. So these 7 nations are the G7 countries. India is not the permanent member of it. India invited. Let's see. The situation will go well once the PM Modi will be going to Canada for attending this summit. Union Minorities Affairs Ministry launches Ummeed Central Portal. Ummeed full form is Unified Work Management Empowerment Efficiency Development Act. According to this act, Ummeed Central Portal is launched. Will serve as a centralized digital platform for the real-time uploading, verification, monitoring of the Waqf properties. So Waqf properties which are managed by the Waqf Muslim boards, these properties to maintain their database digitally, online, verification, documentation, everything can be done digitally online. For that, Ummeed Central Portal launched by Ministry of Minorities Affairs recently. So Ministry of Minority Affairs Minister is Kiran Rijiju. So Kiran Rijiju जी ने इसको launch किया पोर्टल को. The portal which will add another one news in the Waqf property or Waqf bill जो अभी news में चल रहा है, which is still under dispute, which is still under hearing in the Supreme Court of India. India to manufacture Rafale fighter jet fuselage. So that is the main structure, outer structure of the Rafale will be manufactured within India. So the main body of the future Rafale jet will be produced in India for the first time outside France. France के बाहर इंडिया में पहली बार बनाया जाएगा the main structure of the Rafale. So Dassault Aviation, that is French aircraft maker, and Tata Advanced System Limited will build the main structure of the Rafale in the manufacturing facility of Hyderabad. तो हैदराबाद में इसको मैन्युफैक्चर किया जाएगा. For the first time such type of manufacturing unit will be set up out of France. कि फ्रांस के बाहर इंडिया में लगाया जा रहा है इसको. So in 2023 onwards, Indian Navy will receive 26th Rafale fighter jet, locally produced section. That engine and all will come from France only, but outer body will be manufactured within India. So it will be having a faster adoption. तो थोड़ा सा faster हो जाएगा adoption with the support of this. Clear है? चलिए, तो ये थे आज के मेजर न्यूज आपके. Few more news are there in the PDF. Do download the PDF. I'll be meeting you back tomorrow in the same time, same place. अच्छा, MCQ session इस week हम कर सकते हैं. I am available. So on this Wednesday we can do the MCQ session on YT. If you guys are interested, please let me know. So I can design around 1 hour of time and we can do the MCQ session on this Wednesday. ठीक है, इस Wednesday को YT पर, on the YT I'm talking about. So we can do it. Okay. Thank you for joining the session, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.